a video about notes and audio transcription. I make audio recordings almost every day, and this is how I write my content and record audio notes on my smartphone's voice recorder. Then I collect them into a separate folder with audio notes. For convenience, I organize them by date. For example, I have some notes that I haven't transcribed yet specifically for this video. These are notes that are simply MP3 files. They contain audio with text that I dictate into the recorder. And I have a small program here that performs transcription of these notes. This is a script that runs this program in the Windows command line. An important point is that what I'm demonstrating is obviously on a Windows operating system. For Apple products, there might be a completely different workflow and different programs. So keep this in mind, but as I've already mentioned, ChatGPT will allow you to do this regardless of your operating system, because I didn't write this little program myself either. ChatGPT created it for me. After several iterations, adjustments, and refinements, the program turned out exactly as it should, and now it works flawlessly. So I'll launch this shortcut and the corresponding command line window appears. This program starts executing. The program is written in Python. Now, when it begins to run, we'll see this process. Currently, it's searching for all files and showing which of them already have text files next to them. It identifies them by file name and sees that there are no text files for these notes. Then it starts transcribing these MP3 files individually. Inside this program, under this shortcut, it's just this small program, a 2 KB Python file. Here's another program that checks the possibility of using CUDA technology from NVIDIA. And here's the actual program called Batch Transcribe. It consists of just 40 lines of code. It's probably even 10% less if we remove these comments and empty lines. There's very little code here. It enters this directory and starts going through it. It goes through all these files of different formats, MP3, WAV, and so on. Then it loads the model. This is precisely CUDA, the NVIDIA technology it uses for processing and running this model. Then it recursively searches for audio files that don't yet have transcripts. And then it starts the transcription process. It creates a text file from each audio file and saves it in the same folder. As a result, we get the following. Several files have already been transcribed. We get this text file containing the transcript of my note. It's just solid text here. There's no point in showing it since it's in Russian, so I won't even open it. But the point is that this is already text that can be worked with. Next, I send it to AI for formatting and thereby get a formatted note that I can already work with and transform into articles or posts in the future, or use it as raw material to supplement my authorial style guide.